Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem microphone is blocked in Google Meet. So let's don't waste any more time. Let me show you how to do it. First we need to start a meeting, right? So let's start a meeting, and as you can see from here we can turn on our microphone, and when we join in our meeting we can turn it here too. So how to unblock it? First, click here on these three little dots. Go here on your right top corner next to your profile picture, and then click on settings. Go in privacy and security here, and then open site settings here. So now just click on microphone, open microphone, and as you can see here, we've blocked our microphone for this site, meet.google.com. So just delete it. Make the same for the camera too. And when we go in our meeting here, yeah, it appears this windows, and just it's asking you, it's saying use a camera, and just click on allow. And now when you click on my microphone, wait, why is it not working? Yeah, because you need to leave the meeting. And now when you rejoin in your meeting, or when you start a new meeting, your microphone will be working. As you can see, it's not blocked anymore. So yeah, from here it's not blocked, even it's allowed, as you can see. So it will be working. It's the same with the camera. So yeah, that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. So yep, see you next video. Bye.